Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow Safari to automatically close tab. So for you to be able to do that, click on the settings, then you scroll down a little, then you click on Safari. Once you click on Safari, then you scroll down a little, then right here under the tab option there's an option for close tab. Then you just have to, you can see under it is manually. So right here you can just simply configure this to after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month. So once you pick out of these 3 options, which is 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, that means your tab is automatically saved for some period of time. So I'm just going to click this, which is 1 month. So after 1 month, Safari will automatically close my tab, and that is how to give an access, or how to allow Safari to close tab automatically on your iPhone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.